Why should we drink alcohol? It damages our internal organs. Let us stop drinking alcohol. If you must drink, drink small quantities occasionally. And 5, engage in more physical activity, such as running or jogging, sports, dancing, walking, cycling, digging, gardening, and farming. These lifestyle diseases can be prevented by physical activity. Ugandans are becoming increasingly inactive. We sit in our offices, ride border borders, drive cars, and sleep without exercising at all. The city people are reported to be much more inactive than those in the village. Healthy foods are available and affordable. Here, of course, we are not going to buy food for anybody. The only thing we can do is to inform you, because the government cannot start buying food for individuals. We can't afford it. But what can be done is starting with the district health officer to educate the whole population what food to eat, so that those people who don't eat enough know what to eat. Here in the towns, we are dealing with the ones who are eating too much. So the two sides of the problem. We have, on the one hand, obesity. People are eating too much. On the other side, we have stunted growth and other foods of undernourishment, all due to ignorance. Because really, it's not shortage of food in Uganda. It is just people not knowing what to do, because they are not told. In order now to sensitize you people, I now call upon you to join me at the Kororo Independence Grounds on Sunday 8th of July 2018 as we launch the National Day of Physical Activity.